Hello everybody and welcome to Kala Mandir. As you all know, Kala Mandir is a decade-old trusted brand and we do not compromise with our quality. Let me tell you that Kala Mandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. I will also tell you the purchasing process of our saris. The first way is to take a screenshot of your favorite sari or the sari code and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else check the description box below for your favorite sari link. Press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop very easily, also get great discounts all throughout the year. So today I'm going to be presenting a very gorgeous collection and at a great deal. So it's called Kalakshetra Pattu Saris and it is at flat 1500 rupees. So let us begin with the first sari, the one that I'm wearing, a magenta and blue combination, very pretty combination here. And if you look on the body of the sari, you will find buttis in gold zari work and a bit of embossed work on the body too. Then comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and you'll find bronze zari work in floral pattern. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is beautiful contrasting color along with parsley designs all over it, and again zari woven work. The blouse piece for this sari will be embossed and in contrasting color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ69. Actual price, I beg your pardon, the offer price for this sari is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let me tell you all again, you can buy any of these saris for 1500 rupees only. The prices have dropped due to festival season for you to shop with us. Also, I'll let you know that the quality of the sari is extremely great. So here comes the next sari and it's again a beautiful color. Today I have a lot of greens and red and pink colored saris. Here is the next one. As you see on the entire body, floral work, again floral buttis in gold zari work, contrasting border to the sari, beautiful bronze work on the border. Again the sari is a sea blue colored sari with contrasting of another blue shade. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is again contrasting and is completely zari woven. And as you can see, beautiful parsley designs all over the pallu. Then comes the blouse piece for this sari, which is embossed and has a beautiful border to it. Let's check out the pricing details for this sari. Sari code is CJ49. Actual price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Moving on to seeing the next sari. As I told you all, I have a very beautiful collection here, and just as a reminder, all the saris are at 1500 rupees only. Up next is another beautiful color, a mix of peach and sea green on the border. As you see, the entire body is covered with embossed work as well as buttis with gold zari threads. Here comes the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and like you can see, lovely work of zari on the border. Minimal work, less work, but very beautiful. Here is a pallu, which is contrasting in color, sky blue color pallu, along with bit of purple thread work going on it in parsley design and completely zari woven background. So here is the blouse piece that goes with this sari, and it is in contrasting color, mix of blue and purple, and then you see the border to it as well. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ68 and the price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I'm going to move on and show you the next sari, and before that let me tell you that you can avail our video calling facility. For that, all you need to do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there we will book an appointment for you and you can check out your favorite color, favorite collection or any material sari that you want to. So I'm going to show you this next beautiful mustard colored sari. This is the combination of blue and purple, light purple, and as you see on the body, embossed work with gold zari buttis. Then comes the border of the sari, which is zari woven, and you'll find this beautiful work of florals in drop shape design. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and you'll find lovely pattern all over it. So similar prints on these saris that I've been showing you, and slowly I will show you different patterns also. Here comes the blouse piece for this sari. Absolutely soft sari and very soft on the skin also. There you go, contrasting color blouse piece with embossed work all over it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code is CJ33 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on to the next sari, and before that let me get in touch with you all, our beautiful viewers. Here we have Ashwini Waze here saying hi and saying what are you going to show today. Saris are awesome. Ashwini ji, thank you so much for tuning into our show today. I have a very beautiful collection of Kalakshetra Pattu saris. These are Pattu saris that are absolutely soft and light weighted. Also, it's at 1500 rupees only for 24 hours. Okay, let's move on and get in touch with few more viewers here. And Ashwini ji says saris are awesome. Thank you so much for your beautiful compliment, ma'am. We have then Archana Prasad saying hi, ma'am. A very hello to you, Archana ji, and welcome to our show. Ashwini ji again says beautiful color. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I will request you to start placing orders for this wonderful collection today. Since the offer is 1500 rupees and a very great deal for such beautiful saris, especially Pattu saris, and it will end in 24 hours only. So start placing your orders soon. We have Archana reacting to our show, sending in smileys and thumbs up. Thank you so much. Then we have Anjali here saying, hi, good evening, ma'am. Beautiful saris. Thank you so much, Anjali ji. I'm very happy that you're loving our collection. Also, I have a huge variety of collections to show you today in pinks, greens, and a lot of blues also today. We have Sangeeta Shah saying, must pick. Okay, that's a very nice compliment. Thank you so much. We have Jyotsna Patil here saying hi, and Sangeeta Shah saying super. Thank you so much to the both of you. I'm so happy that you are loving all our shows, and I'll only request you to keep watching our shows all the time. Also shop with us because we give the best of deals for all our saris. So I'm going to show you the next sari and shortly get in touch with all my viewers. Till then, please watch the show. Here is the next sari, very beautiful pink and purple combination. You'll also find blue on this sari. And as you see on the body, beautiful work of florals and emboss and zari weaving. Again, the border of the sari, contrasting color, similar pattern to the previous one. Drop shape floral design. Here comes pallu of the sari, contrasting in color, full floral design all over it, and zari weaving work. Let me show you the blouse piece of the sari, contrasting color and a border to it. So let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ38, actual price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have a viewer here named Jyotsna Patil saying साड़ी सॉफ्ट है क्या? जी मैम, साड़ी एकदम ही मुलायम है, सॉफ्ट है और इसे स्किन पे रगड़ने से भी आपको खरोच नहीं आएगा, कुछ नहीं आएगा, जो कि ज़्यादातर आपको जरी वीविंग के साड़ी में ऐसे मिलता है कि स्किन के ऊपर ज़रा हार्श रहता है, बट ये साड़ी एकदम सॉफ्ट है, तो बेफिक्र आप इस साड़ी के लिए ऑर्डर प्लेस कीजिए. सो नेक्स्ट अप I have another color, very beautiful color combinations today, and you'll see multiple colors on one sari also. So here is the next one, and as you see, the entire body is covered with peacock green color, emboss work and zari floral work. Then comes the border of the sari, contrasting in color and drop shape floral design on it. Here is the pallu, contrasting color and fully zari woven. Then comes the blouse piece, contrasting in color. Again, a very beautiful color for the blouse as well. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ35 and the price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So then we have सीमा इंगले here saying want to order the साड़ी. तो सीमा जी, अगर आप हमारे साड़ीज़ को ऑर्डर प्लेस करना चाहते हैं, ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, तो आपको बस इतना करना है कि आपकी पसंद की साड़ी का स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए या उसका आइटम कोड नोट कर दीजिए जब मैं टैब दिखाऊंगी, और वो हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर करें जो कि है 9852985299, एंड वहाँ से आप बड़े आसानी से शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. We have then Bhargavi here and Shobha ji saying hi and mustard and rani pink border. Let me check if I have the sari. I'll show it to you. And to Bhargavi ji, a very hello. So to all my viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handle? If not, please go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this very beautiful collection from Kalamandir that is called Kalakshetra Pattu Saris, and it is at 1500 rupees flat. Alright, it's only for 24 hours, so start placing your orders soon. Here is the next sari that I have for you all. It's an olive green color sari with a border to it that is in contrasting color. And if you see closely, you will find gold zari floral buttis and embossed work on the sari. Border will be the same as the previous sari. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color, completely zari woven. You'll find this similar parsley design on this sari too, and few more saris that I have left in the similar pattern, after which I'll show you some different patterns also. Now comes the blouse piece, contrasting in color. It's almost a similar color of the body, but little bit of blue more in it. Then pricing details, sari code is CJ37, actual price is 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Jayanti Hegde here saying hi, nice collection. Thank you so much Jayanti ji. I'm so happy that I'm getting to see such new names on our live show. Please do subscribe to our channel as well, and you can keep viewing our shows every time we upload a new video. We have Manasvi here saying hello ma'am. Manasvi ji, welcome back to our live show. So good to see you again on the show. And we have few more viewers here. Let me get in touch with you shortly. For now, I want to show you some more beautiful colors that I have in this amazing collection. Also, you know the pricing, 1500 rupees only for such a great quality. Have a look at this sari. I'm holding on to a pink sari with purple combination. Both the pink and the purple are light in color, but the border of pallu of the sari will be in dark contrasting color of blue. Floral buttis on the body, zari work on the border, and here comes the contrasting dark blue pallu of the sari with zari woven work. And here is the blouse piece to go with this sari. Totally contrasting color, slightly different from the body of the sari, but it has embossed work and floral work all over it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code CJ26, actual price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So then we have one Malaji here saying good evening. A very good evening to you ma'am, and welcome to our show. We have Rashi Gupta saying beautiful. Thank you so much for your lovely compliment. Rani here says hi. Priyanka says hi to us. Anita Devi also saying hi. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning into our show first of all, and a very hello to you. We have Manasvi ji again saying, ma'am, very beautiful sari you're wearing. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you loved my choice also. We have Priyanka Priyanka here saying, show me the color of cream and blue. Let me check if I have a cream and blue combination. I'll definitely show it to you. और अगर आपको ये कलर ना मिले इस शो में, इस लाइव में, तो आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे ज़रूर एक मैसेज डाल दीजिएगा, हम आपको आपकी पसंद का कलर दिखा देंगे. Anita Devi here saying hi to us, and a very hello to you, Anita ji. Welcome to our show. Shweta Chetan here saying, hello madam, what type of fabric it is? This is all pattu sarees. So pattu sarees are generally silk sarees only. So this is another of a silk saree type. And we have Pressy here saying no sound. If I'll just request you to log in again and check if I'm audible to you or not, and just let me know in the live show itself if you can still hear me or not. We have Loga Dinesh here saying, hi ma'am, are you having a grey with orange combination? I am a little doubtful if I have grey today, but I do have one orange sari for you. I'll definitely show it to you. It's an other color combination, but Prabhavati ji saying hi to us. A very hello to you, Prabhavati ji. So nice to see such new names on our show, and it's just giving me so much confidence that we have more and more crowd watching our show from Kala Mandir. It's so nice. It's such a good feeling. Here is the next sari for you all, and this is in a darker shade of olive green, and as you see on the body, embossed with gold zari floral work. Here is the border of the sari, which is darker shade of blue, contrasting color, drop shaped floral design, and then comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color. Blouse piece will be the same, floral, embossed work and contrasting color with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CJ34 and offer price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I want to tell all my viewers one more thing, that you can avail our free shipping and cash on delivery facility as well. So wherever you are, you can just easily shop with us. We have free shipping and cash on delivery for you all. Okay, so the next sari is another of a green sari, and as I told you, I have a lot of shades of green today and various patterns also in the same green saris. So you'll see a lot of green saris today. There you go. This is the next one, a light sea green sari with floral buttis on the entire body. Then comes the border of the sari contrasting in color with drop shape pattern, again completely zari woven. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color and has zari woven work all over it. And then comes the blouse piece for this sari. Here you go, contrasting color with a border. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CJ29 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have another of a beautiful viewer here named Vishaka Sule saying hi to us. Vishaka ji, welcome to our show first of all, and a very hello to you. I'm so I kept saying this throughout the show actually, that I'm so happy today to see such new viewers on our show. I will also request all of you to please go and subscribe to our channel under the name Kala Mandir on Facebook and YouTube, and on Instagram it is Kala Mandir Fashions. So we have another of a regular viewer here, Gaurama Srinivas ji, saying hi, good evening, a very good evening to you, welcome to our show again. We have Vinuta Patil here saying hi ma'am, a very hello to you. Then Shilpa ji saying hi, a very hi to you Shilpa ji, and I hope you are enjoying this beautiful collection from Kala Mandir. Bhola Sinha ji sending us flowers, thank you so much. We have Anita Devi again saying beautiful. Anita ji, I'm so happy कि आपको हमारा सारी कलेक्शन इतना पसंद आ रहा है कि आपके और से हमारे लिए इतने सारे कमेंट्स हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देखकर. We have Shilpa again saying your collections are good. Shilpa ji, thank you so much for your valuable feedback to us. In fact, all our viewers who are taking out the time to watch our show, shop with us through these live shows, a big thank you to you all. I will only request you to keep tuned with us all the time and keep watching our shows too. So I'm going to show you some more saris before getting in touch with you all. I have another of a peach color sari in lovely Rani pink combination. Someone who wanted to see a Rani pink sari, here it is, but it's a different combination here. And as you see, the entire body is covered with buttis and embossed work. Now this is slightly different pattern. Have a look closely. Contrasting border to this sari in silver zari work. You will find small strip of beautiful temple design, buttis, zigzag lines, and this lovely pattern here. Again, this is all silver zari work. Have a look at the work on the sari closely. It's a beautiful design, beautiful color. Few more colors to show you in this same pattern. Here is the pallu of the sari, contrasting in color, mix of gold zari work and silver zari work. This whole work is called floral jal. And then comes the simple blouse piece for this lovely sari, embossed work on the body with a beautiful border to it. So as you see, the sari has mix of gold and silver zari work, makes the sari look very beautiful. Pricing details CG43 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order for the sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Let me show you another color in this same pattern. Very beautiful work of gold and silver zari combination. Here is the next one. There you go. So as you can see, similar work of floral buttis on the entire sari in silver zari work. Now this is in the color light green. This is the shade mehendi green or bottle green that we say. That's a very light shade of that. In combination, you have a chalk blue combination. Same design you will find on the border of this sari as well. Silver zari work. Here is the pallu of the sari with floral jal work all over it. Mix of gold and silver zari. And then comes the blouse piece for the sari, which is dark contrasting color and has a border to it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CJ40 and the offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on to the next sari. I have another green sari coming up for you, but this time it is in the combination of pink. A very beautiful sari. There you go. This next sari, as you see, same pattern, but have a look closely this time. Embossed work you will find on the body. The background of the body of the sari has embossed work, and on top of it you will find these silver zari floral buttis. Then comes the contrasting border of the sari, which has lovely zari work on it. Contrasting pallu with zari woven work. And then is the blouse piece for this sari, complete contrasting color and a border to it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CG32 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, we have few more viewers here named Jyoti Bhosle saying hi friends. Jyoti ji, hello to you. And we have Preeti Khandelwal saying hello ma'am, saying show me green color sari. So yes, I just showed a green sari. I have few more saris. In fact, the entire collection here has the most of green saris. Stay tuned till the end of the show. We have Shashi Singh here saying nice collection ma'am. सारी का नाम बताओ जो ठीक है तो आपने शायद अभी ज्वाइन किया है हमारा लाइव शो. मैं आपको बता दूं कि इस कलेक्शन का नाम है कलाक्षेत्रा पट्टू साड़ीज़. ये सारा साड़ी जो है सिल्क मटेरियल का है और इसे हम पट्टू साड़ी कहते हैं. ऑल्सो ये साड़ी एकदम ही सॉफ्ट है और लाइट वेट भी. शशि जी हियर सेज प्लेन में दिखाइए मैम. प्लेन साड़ीज़ तो आज थोड़ा डाउटफुल है. आज हमारे पास ज़्यादा प्लेन साड़ीज़ हैं नहीं, पर अगर आप ये कलेक्शन देखना चाहें तो आखिर तक आप देख सकते हैं और शॉप भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसका डील है 1500 रुपीज़ ओनली फॉर 24 आवर्स. So yes, let us get in touch with you all again in a while. For now, I will show you the sarees that I have for you. Blue color sari here, light blue, dark blue combination, buttis on the entire body, silver zari work again. This is a very beautiful color, a very gorgeous sari with silver zari work on the border as well, contrasting dark blue. Here is the pallu of the sari, and as you can see, this is another darker shade of blue. The entire sari has all blue shades all over it. Lovely floral jal work. And then comes the blouse piece for this sari, contrasting in color. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ67 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. तो चलिए अगला साड़ी देखते हैं। जैसे हमारे व्यूअर्स ने यहाँ रिक्वेस्ट किया था ग्रीन साड़ी दिखाने के लिए, मेरे पास ये रहा, अलग पैटर्न में है थोड़ा सा, मैं आपको दिखा दूँ। सो इस पूरी साड़ी पर आप ओनली ग्रीन कलर पाएंगे, डार्क ग्रीन एंड लाइट ग्रीन। और जैसा आप देख सकते हैं इसकी पूरी बॉडी पर फ्लोरल जाल का काम किया गया है एम्बॉस वर्क में। और तो जैसा आप देख सकते हैं इसके ऊपर बुट्टीज़ का काम भी किया गया है। तो ये इस बार अलग कलर में है, इसे हम सिल्वर बोलते हैं। आई एम वेरी सॉरी, मैंने आपको सिल्वर कहा पर इसे हम कॉपर जरी वर्क कहते हैं, बहुत माफ़ी चाहती हूँ। फिर ये देखिए इसका बॉर्डर जो फिर से कॉपर जरी वर्क में ही किया गया है, और इस पर आप बड़ा प्यारा सा डिज़ाइन पाएंगे, क्रॉस लाइंस और पार्सली डिज़ाइन एंड थोड़ा बहुत फ्लोरल डिज़ाइन भी। ये आता है इसका पल्लू, बहुत ही प्यारा पल्लू है इस साड़ी पर, और इस पे आप टेम्पल डिज़ाइंस पाएंगे, साथ में ह्यूमन फिगर्स भी देख सकते हैं इसमें आप। बहुत ही एंशिएंट सा काम किया गया है इसके पल्लू पर। तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं पूरा का पूरा साड़ी एक ही कलर में है और इस पे सारा कॉपर जरी का काम किया गया है। एंड देन इज द ब्लाउज पीस। ब्लाउज पीस कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कलर, ग्रीन कलर में ही है पर इस पे फ्लोरल जाल का काम किया गया है एम्बॉस वर्क में। प्राइसिंग डिटेल्स दिखा दूं आपको। साड़ी कोड CG27 and offer price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, अगला साड़ी देखने से पहले अपने व्यूअर्स से बात कर लेते हैं। We have Shaila here saying nice collection. Shaila ji, thank you so much for your beautiful compliment. We have Sanjeevani here saying hi ma'am, and Chaitanya ji saying hi. We also have Santoshi ji saying hi ma'am. So thank you to the three of you. We have Rashmita Pandey saying your Hindi is awesome. जी रश्मिता जी thank you so much। आपको मेरी हिंदी इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद आ रही है, बहुत अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे रहे हैं आप सब, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये सब पढ़कर। Then we have Saroja Yashwant saying hi, a very hello to you Saroja ji, so good to see such new names on our live show and it's just making me so happy today because I have a lot of viewers today here. Then we have Satish here saying these offers are available in Rajahmundry Kala Mandir shop, will you give reply? So these offers are applicable all throughout India, but you have to shop from our live show only. For that, all you need to do is select your favorite sari, take a screenshot of it, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. And this offer is valid only for 24 hours, alright? I hope I have answered your question, sir. If you have any more queries, please let us know right here. So we have Shashi ji again saying plain में दिखाइए, plain border में। सो मैम आज हमारे पास ज़्यादा प्लेन साड़ीज़ है नहीं, इनफैक्ट सारी जो कलेक्शन है आज हमारी उस सब पे एम्बॉस का काम और जरी का काम किया गया है। यदि आप अपना फेवरेट कलेक्शन ऐसा देखना चाहे जो प्लेन बॉर्डर प्लेन बॉडी के साथ हो, तो आपको बस इतना करना है कि व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर दीजिए हमें, जो कि है 9852985299, एंड फिर आप अपने पसंद का कलेक्शन वहाँ से बड़े आराम से देख सकते हैं। We have Jyotsna Patil saying gold color sari. I'm not sure if I have a gold sari, but I have few shades of yellow. I'll definitely show it to you. and it's also covered with gold zari work, so I hope you'll like it. Trupti ji is saying hi, and ek koshish. Here we have a very nice viewer saying hi ma'am. Thank you so much that you have logged into our show, you're viewing it and also putting in such lovely comments for us. I love to read from you all. For now, I will show you some more saris and get in touch with you all shortly. Here is the next one, another of a peach color sari, and this is in combination with purple color and blue color. So as you see on the body, you will find different pattern, smaller floral buttis with embossed work in the background. Then we have this contrasting border which has lovely design on it in silver zari work and gold zari work. As you can see, it's slightly different from the previous pattern. This is the pallu of the sari, completely covered with silver zari work, entirely zari woven pallu, contrasting color. And then comes the blouse piece for this sari, which is again contrasting color and has a border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ73 and offer price 1500 rupees to place an order. Please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my beautiful viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handles? If not, please check out this video and I will be right back.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మీ సునంద. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి ఒకేషన్కి మన కళామందిర్లో షాపింగ్ చేయండి. చాలా బడ్జెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ అండి. వీ హ్యావ్ అవర్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. Follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook, YouTube Kalamandir. Our stores are located at Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka. Don't miss our everyday lives.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
That is called Kalakshetra Pattu sarees and it is at 1500 rupees only for 24 hours. I'm extremely sorry about my voice today. So here is the next saree that I have for you all. It's a beautiful mustard colored saree. And as you see on the entire body, you will find minimal work of buttis, more of embossed work. Very less work done on the body of this sari. And then here is the contrasting pallu for this sari, which is completely covered with gold and silver zari work, parsley designs and small strips of silver zari work. A very gorgeous sari with a lovely contrasting pallu, completely zari woven with floral design. And then to go with this mustard sari, we have this blouse piece in contrasting color with a border to it. So somebody was asking for a golden sari. I do not have a golden sari, but the closest color that I could find to golden was this mustard sari. If you like it, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number. Let me share the pricing details with you. Sari code CJ28 and offer price is 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Alright, let's move on, and we have Neha Singh ji here saying most beautiful anchor on Kalamandir. Thank you so much. It's such a beautiful compliment for you. It just made my evening so much nicer. We have Meena Shri here saying hi ma'am ji. Meena Shri ji, very hello to you. Welcome to our show. We have Narayani here saying hi. A very hello to you, Narayani ji. Manju Rajesh says please do a video for Banarsi Georgette sarees. तो मंजू जी, मैंने हाल ही में एक बनारसी जॉर्जेट साड़ी का वीडियो बनाया था, और अगर आप वो देखना चाहें तो आपको बस इतना करना है कि हमारे YouTube चैनल पे जाएं जो कि है कला मंदिर, एंड यू कैन सर्च द कलेक्शन कॉल्ड बनारसी जॉर्जेट sarees from our channel itself. Recently I have made a very gorgeous video of it, so you can check it out. Also, if you don't like that option, what you can do is request for a video calling facility on our WhatsApp number 9852985299. From there also you can check out your favorite sari and color. Manasvi ji here saying, ma'am, very beautiful collection. Manasvi ji, thank you so much for pouring in such lovely compliments from the beginning of the show. Hiral Shah says, hi Hiral ji, welcome to Kala Mandir and a very hello to you. Anupa Mishra says, what about full silver shade? I am doubtful if I have full silver shade, but I have different colors and like green, orange, purple, which has silver zari work on it in between. So you can check those sari out. नारायणी जी सेज रेड साड़ी गोल्ड बॉर्डर में दिखाओ. तो मैम आज हमारे पास बहुत लिमिटेड कलर्स है जो कि है ग्रीन, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्रीन है, येलो है, पर्पल है, पिंक्स है. यदि आप रेड देखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ हमारे व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए, वहाँ से हम आपको आपके पसंद का कलर दिखा देंगे. Shanti here says, hi, good evening ma'am, a very good evening to you, and says awesome collection and reasonable price. Shanti ji, thank you so much. And Suma are asking for cash on delivery. Yes, cash on delivery is available. With that you will get free shipping also. So you do not have to worry. All you need to do is you can shop from anywhere and we will provide you with free shipping and cash on delivery as well. So we have Deepa here, a regular viewer, saying hi to us, a very hello to you. Then एक कोशिश here says, मैम मैरून कलर में दिखाइए. सो मैम आपको ज़रा रुकना पड़ेगा. अगर मेरे पास मैरून कलर की साड़ी मैं आपको ज़रूर दिखा दूँगी. यदि ना मिले तो आपको पता है क्या करना है, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पे बस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए बस. फ़िलहाल मैं आपको एक ग्रीन साड़ी दिखा दूँ और ये है कॉम्बिनेशन में विथ ब्लू, और ये बहुत ही अलग शेड है ब्लू का. यहाँ पर आप पाएंगे ऑरेंज कलर. सो ग्रीन, ऑरेंज एंड ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन. Green color sari with a body that has embossed work and a little bit of buttis on the body. Then comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting orange color, completely zari woven, and this is the border of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and like you can see, completely done with silver zari work. So let's see the blouse piece now. Here is the blouse piece, contrasting orange color to go with this green sari and a border to it. So the border has a little bit of purple color going on it. Here are the pricing details. Sari code is CJ64, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Let us move on and check out the next sari. And before that, to all the viewers, मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आपको आपके पसंद का साड़ी इस शो में ना मिला हो, ना दिखा हो, तो आप बस इतना कर सकते हैं कि हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे एक मैसेज डाल दीजिए वीडियो कॉलिंग फैसिलिटी अवेल करने के लिए. वहाँ से आप अपनी पसंद का कलेक्शन, अपनी पसंद का कलर या अपनी पसंद का डिस्काउंट रेंज या प्राइसिंग रेंज का साड़ी भी बड़े आराम से देख सकते हैं, शॉप भी कर सकते हैं. We have Vishaka here. Vishaka Suleji says, nice saris. Thank you so much, ma'am. Bhagyashri here saying, hi, ma'am. A very hello to you. Narayani ji has replied saying, okay. Then we have Dora Babu Kavita saying, hi, madam. Hello, madam. Welcome to our show. So I'm so happy today. You've all made my evening so much nicer. So new names I'm getting to see on our live shows, and it's a big compliment and achievement for us. So here is the next sari for you all, pink in color, buttis on the entire body, contrasting border in purple color, and as you see, full silver zari and gold zari work on it. Here comes the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color, and you will find full zari woven work in floral design. And to go with the sari, the blouse piece is again contrasting in color. Here you go, it's a blue color blouse piece. You'll find 3 colors on the sari, pink, purple and blue. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ45 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. I'm extremely sorry that I'm, clearing my throat every now and then. Please do not mind, but I have this amazing next color for you all. Yellow and blue combination. As you see, this is a royal blue color. Very beautiful combination. Silver zari work on the entire body mixed with gold zari work. This is slightly different pattern. You'll find larger buttis on the body. Then comes the border contrasting in color, silver zari diamond pattern here along with parsley design and floral design on the border. Here comes the pallu, which is contrasting color and completely zari woven. You'll find all rain drop pattern here. And then comes the blouse piece of the sari, which is contrasting in color with a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code is CJ75 and the offer price is 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let us get in touch with our beautiful viewers here. We have Manasvi ji saying, Ma'am, Kala Mandir collection also very amazing and range is very reasonable. Thank you so much Manasvi ji. आप शुरुआत से हमारे लिए इतने प्यारे compliments डाल रहे हैं. I'm really liking to read all. I mean, it's making my evening so much better. We have Sonali Om Prakash here saying good collection. Thank you Sonali ji. I am really happy that you're loving our collection. Also, be mindful of the pricing that we have today, that is 1500 rupees only for 24 hours. We have Rashita Sharat here saying, ma'am, 15 live Banarsi silk sari code we could not get. Okay, so what you can do is take a screenshot of the sari, of your favorite sari, and send it to our WhatsApp number. As soon as the sari is available, we will deliver it to you. You can place your order also and keep it, okay? And just in case you want to see some more collection, just go back to the live shows or the saved videos on YouTube and check out your favorite collection from there. I hope I have answered your query here, and if there's anything that I can help you with, please let me know. We have Rashita Sharat saying, but they could not get the code. Okay, then I apologize from our end that we could not give you the code. But if you have any other collection, then please do shop with us. We would not want to lose out on a very valuable customer like you. Yes, then we have to go down and see some more viewers. We have Swapna here saying, nice collection. I want in black and pink color combination. So ma'am, I'm extremely sorry for today ki I don't have a black color sari to show you because I have a lot of pink, yellow, green colors. And we have Manasvi saying very nice sari again. I'm so happy to keep seeing Manasvi ji putting in such lovely compliments for us. Srimati Karthik here saying hi. A very hello to you Srimati ji. And Jyoti Bosle says, very nice saris. Thank you so much for your lovely compliment. संगीता मोरे से हर एक साड़ी बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. संगीता जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप इतने प्यारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स डाल रहे हैं हमारे लिए. और अगर आपको कोई भी साड़ी पसंद आ रही हो तो आपको बस इतना करना है कि स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए साड़ी का और हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे हमें भेज दीजिए. वहाँ से बड़े आसानी से आपका साड़ी बुक हो जाएगा. So here is the next sari for you all, another of a yellow sari for our viewer who wanted to see yellow and Rani pink. Here it is. As you see, the entire body is covered with embossed work. I have shown you a similar pattern before. Silver zari buttis on the body. Then comes the contrasting border with silver zari work. Entire sari has silver zari work. Here comes the pallu of the sari. Now this is contrasting in color and you will find a very beautiful work of silver and gold zari work on it. Completely covered with florals, and here is the blouse piece to go with this sari, contrasting in color. Very gorgeous combination of yellow and Rani pink. Here is the pricing details. Sari code CJ62. Offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. Okay, next sari. So I have few more saris left from this beautiful collection here. Then I'm going to show you the mannequin pieces. Our mannequin pieces are especially hand-picked for you all. And you can also see how it looks on a mannequin, how it will fit you. So here is the next sari, very beautiful shade of pink, also known as Rani pink. And you can see on the body floral buttis in silver zari work. Then we have the contrasting border, which has full leaves and floral designs all over it. Here is the pallu of the sari, green in color, very gorgeous combination of green and pink. And as you can see, completely zari woven, floral design in silver zari work. So to go with this sari, we again have a contrasting blouse piece which is green in color and has a border to it. A very gorgeous color combination. Check out the pricing details. Sari code CJ70. Actual price is 1500 rupees. I beg your pardon, the offer price for this sari is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I have another of a pink and green combination sari coming up for you, slightly different shades this time. There you go. This is the next green and pink sari. Also the work on this sari is done with gold zari work and copper zari work. Have a look at the body, beautiful floral design on the entire body. Floral buttis in gold zari work. Then comes the contrasting border to this sari, which is complete floral work and parsley designs in copper zari work. Here is the pallu of the sari, contrasting in color and beautiful parsley designs all over it. And this is full gold zari work. Now for the blouse piece, contrasting in color along with a similar border which was there on the body of the sari. So let us have a look at the pricing details of this sari. Sari code CJ77, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So I'm going to show you a light colored sari now, which the light color is only on the body. Pallu is going to be slightly different. There you go. And we have Gani ji here saying hi ma'am. A very hello to you, Gani ji. Sutapa Pradhan says, good saris. Thank you so much, Sutapa ji. I am so happy to see your name again on our live show. So I will request all our viewers, beautiful viewers, thank you for first of all pouring in such lovely compliments for us. What you can do is go and follow our channel on YouTube under the name Kala Mandir, and you will get notified with our latest video every time we upload it. Alright. Similarly, on Facebook it is Kala Mandir, and on Instagram IGTV it is Kala Mandir Fashions. So let me show you the sari now that I have for you all. Light color, as I mentioned. Check out the body of the sari. It's a cream color sari with a combination of pista green. And on the entire body of the sari you will find silver zari floral buttis along with embossed work in the background. So now comes the border of the sari, which is light pista green and has full floral design all over it. Please have a good look at this sari. We had a viewer requesting for cream sari. So now comes the pallu of the sari, which I told will be slightly different color. It's a contrasting color of dark green, and you'll find full silver zari work all over it in floral design. Next up is the blouse piece for this sari, contrasting color similar to the pallu only. There you go. If you wish to have a different blouse piece for your saris, you can definitely do that, but most of our saris, in fact all of our saris, have blouse pieces coming along with it. So here is the pricing details. Sari code CJ76, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, to all my viewers, do you know how to follow our social media handles? If not, please go check out this video and I will be right back.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Welcome back everybody, and let me continue presenting to you this next sari, and the collection is called Kalakshetra Pattu saris. This is at 1500 rupees flat for 24 hours. We have Srimati ji here, Srimati Karthik ji saying unique design. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback, ma'am. It's so nice to read from you. We have Sunita Gowda here saying hi ma'am, a very hello to you Sunita ji. And then we have Ashwini Malik saying please yellow sari. Okay, so I have one yellow sari remaining. If I'll show it to you in the coming live episode. So then we have Narayani ji saying आपके साड़ीज़ का कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा है मैम, लेकिन हम जो भी साड़ीज़ का व्हाट्सएप करते हैं सोल्ड आउट का रिप्लाई आता है, प्लीज़ हमारे पसंद का भी हमें दें. तो पहली बात तो आई एम वेरी सॉरी नारायणी जी कि वो सारे साड़ीज़ सोल्ड आउट हो जाते हैं, पर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे ही आप लाइव शोज़ देखते हैं, तो जैसे ही हम लॉन्च करते हैं लाइव शो आप देख रहे होंगे, तो उसी टाइम आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेके तुरंत हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे भेज दीजिए. उस तरीके से आपको सबसे पहले साड़ी ख़रीदने मिल जाएगा. यदि आप थोड़ा लेट से ऑर्डर करेंगे तो फिर शायद वो सोल्ड आउट हो सकता है, क्योंकि हमारे ऑर्डर्स आजकल काफ़ी बढ़ गए हैं ड्यू टू द फेस्टिवल सीज़न. पर मैं आपको फिर से सॉरी कहना चाहूँगी, अगर आपको कोई और साड़ी कलेक्शन पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ हमें जल्दी से जल्दी व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिएगा. So then we have Manasvi ji here saying Kala Mandir every day, amazing collection of saris. Thank you Manasvi ji, it's so nice to read from you. We have Gani ji saying we had purchased okay Gani ji, give me a moment, I'll just get back to you on this and I'll just show you the sari that I have for now. We have this amazing maroon color sari, a viewer who had requested for maroon sari. There you go. Maroon with combination of green, and as you see entire body is covered with floral jal and copper zari buttis. Then comes the contrasting border to this sari, green in color with parsley design and cross zari design. Entire sari is covered with copper zari work. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is completely zari woven, beautiful temple design on it and human figures. A very ancient like design on the pallu, and then comes the blouse piece for this sari, parrot green color, contrasting color, emboss and border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CJ57 and the offer price is 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So we have Gani ji, let me get in touch with you now, saying we had purchased 2 saris recently. Awesome collection, our ladies liked those very much. Thank you Kala Mandir. Gani ji, thank you so much that first of all you placed an order for the ladies of your house, or you know, it's so nice that you're actually viewing our show and purchasing orders from us. Also, I hope we have you in the future with us, shopping with us all the time, and I'm really amazed how you are shopping from us, with us, and also putting in such lovely compliments for us. Keep shopping with us all the time. I keep saying this throughout, that we keep giving out great discounts all throughout the year. We have Manasvi ji saying I love saris of Kala Mandir. Thank you so much. And we have Dora Babu Kavita saying okay, so I think you have mentioned something in Telugu that I'm not able to read right now because I don't understand Telugu, but what I will do is I will request my technical team to please translate this for me and I'll get in touch with you shortly. We have Pinky Gupta saying hello, you're looking beautiful. Pinky ji, thank you so much for such an amazing compliment for me. Thank you, it's a great compliment. Pinky Gupta again says fabric. So this is this collection is called Kalakshetra Pattu sarees. It is a pattu saree which is very soft, and also this is silk saree. All right, very soft silk saree. So yes, let me show you the next saree. We have a yellow and pink combination. There you go, light yellow this time with lovely embossed work and silver zari work on the entire body. Contrasting border to the sari in pink color, lighter pink with silver zari work. Then comes the dark pink pallu for this sari, which has full floral work all over it. And then the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color. So like I said, all our saris have the blouse pieces attached to it. It comes in complementary with the sari. But if you wish to have some different color for your blouse piece, you can definitely do that. Just imagine how beautiful it would look. So here is the pricing details. Sari code CJ46, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's see the next sari that I have for you all. Very beautiful collection from Kala Mandir called Kalakshetra Pattu sarees, which is at flat 1500 rupees only for 24 hours. We have Narayani ji here saying, okay ma'am, you are so sweet, आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है, हम ही आपका लाइव नहीं देख पाते हैं. So I'll just request you to scroll down little bit and okay, नहीं देख पाते, नेक्स्ट टाइम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका लाइव देख सके. तो नारायणी जी थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि आपने इतना टाइम निकाला हमारा शो देखने के लिए, हमारे साथ परचेज़ करने के लिए. तो ये मैंने आपको इसलिए सजेस्ट किया है ताकि आप कोई भी साड़ी पर मिस आउट ना करें और जैसे आपकी जो भी पसंद की साड़ी हो तुरंत ही आपको मिल जाए. तो हमारे शो को देखते रहे और हमारे साथ शॉपिंग करते रहे. एंड यस, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड सी द नेक्स्ट साड़ी. वी हैव a sea green color sari in blue combination. Again, entire body is completely covered with embossed work and small zari butti work. And here is the contrasting border. Beautiful work of parsley design in silver zari and gold zari lines. And here comes the pallu of the sari, which is orange in color, contrasting and full silver zari floral design all over it. Blouse piece again similar to the pallu only, goes very beautifully with this sari. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code is CJ44 and offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So moving along and seeing some more beautiful saris that I have for you all, and very few saris left from our shelf collection, after which I will show you the mannequin pieces. So up next is a leaf green colored sari. Otherwise, this color is also known as a neon green color. It's a very trendy color. Check this out. Have a look at the body. Embossed work with gold zari and silver zari buttis. Next up is the contrasting border to the sari, and it is an olive green color, and you'll find the same parsley design all over it. Pallu of the sari, completely zari woven, contrasting color, that is royal blue color. Full silver zari floral design on the entire pallu. And here comes a blouse piece, which is contrasting in color and has a border to it. You see the entire body has embossed work. Pricing details, sari code CJ30, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, I have the last sari to show you from our shelf collection. Then we move on to the mannequin. There you go. This is the last piece. And here is a very beautiful shade of light blue with royal blue. Emboss work on the entire body with larger design of buttis in gold and silver zari work. Here comes the border of the sari with a strip of silver zari work and parsley designs towards the edge of the border. Lovely contrasting pallu with full drop shade patterns on the entire pallu. Complete zari woven pallu on this sari. And here comes the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color and has a border to it. Alright. So similar bluish color only in contrast also. Let's have a look at the pricing details. Sari code CJ74, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order for this sari, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, let us move on to the mannequin collection, and we are also nearing our show. So up next is the orange color sari for you all in purple combination and blue combination. As you see, entire body is covered with embossed work in floral design and also gold zari floral putties. Here comes the border of the sari, which is covered with copper zari work. Similarly for the pallu, contrasting in color with copper zari work on it. And blouse piece will be embossed, contrasting, and a border to it. Let's have a look at the pricing details of the sari. Sari code is CJ25, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So let's move on to the second last mannequin from this show. Very beautiful collection. Here is a green sari for you all, a sea green sari with blue combination. You will also find pink color combination with this sari. Embossed work with zari buttis on the entire body. Contrasting border with silver zari work and gold zari work. Pallu will be completely zari woven with florals and contrasting pink color. Then comes the blouse piece of the sari, which is similar pink color and has a zari border to it. Let's check out the pricing details. Sari code CJ42, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, and now we move on to the last piece from this collection. A beautiful magenta sari with purple combination and royal blue combination. On the body you will find embossed work with floral buttis and silver zari work. Contrasting border, purple in color with silver zari design all over it. Border will be dark blue in color, completely zari woven with floral pattern. And for the blouse piece, embossed work with a border to it. Let's check out the pricing. Sari code CJ31, offer price 1500 rupees. To place an order, please take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 9852985299. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed our beautiful collection today that is called Kalakshetra Pattu Saris, and it is at flat 1500 rupees only for 24 hours. So I hope you all have enjoyed this festival season. Also, I will be back with yet another collection for you all very soon and with great discounts too. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with Kala Mandir. This is Kartika signing off.
To all the beautiful ladies, when you walk in a sari, just kick the pleats. It becomes more comfortable. Don't miss to follow Kala Mandir live shows every day and click on the follow button for daily updates and offers.